Hello everyone and welcome back to A to Z Healthcare channel. And in today's video we are going to talk about 10 incredibly healthy foods that you should consider adding to your diet. These foods are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients to help you feel your best. So let's dive right in. Food number 1, berries. Number 1 on our list is berries. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, or blackberries, these little powerhouses are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They are not only great for your overall health but also fantastic for your skin and digestion. Food number 2, leafy greens. Next up, we have leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. These greens are low in calories and high in essential vitamins and minerals like iron, calcium, and folate. They are fantastic for your bone health and immune system. Food number 3, avocado. Avocado is number 3 on our list. It's not only creamy and delicious but also loaded with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats. These fats are great for heart health and can help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Food number 4, oats. Number 4 is oats. They are great source of complex carbohydrates and fiber, making them an excellent choice for a wholesome breakfast. Oats can help weight management and have even been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. Food number 5, salmon. Moving on to number 5, we have salmon. This fatty fish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and benefits for brain health. It's also an excellent source of high-quality protein. Food number 6, nuts. Nuts like almonds, walnut, and cashews are at number 6. They are a fantastic source of healthy fats, protein, and a variety of essential nutrients. They make for a satisfying and nutritious snack. Food number 7, quinoa. Quinoa is our number 7. This whole grain is gluten-free, high in protein, and contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's an excellent option for vegetarians and vegans looking to boost their proteins intake. Food number 8, Greek yogurt. At number 8, we have Greek yogurt. It's a great source of probiotics which can improve your gut health. It's also rich in protein, making it an ideal choice for a satisfying and nutritious snack. Food number 9, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes come in at number 9. They're a fantastic source of vitamin A and vitamin C, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. These nutrients are great for your skin, immune system, and overall energy level. Food number 10, broccoli. Last but not least, we have broccoli at number 10. It's a vegetable packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Broccoli can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and is excellent for supporting your body's natural detoxification process. There you have it, 10 healthy foods to add to your diet for a healthier, happier you. Remember, a balanced and varied diet is key to getting the most out of these foods. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more great content like this. And as always, stay healthy and stay happy. Thanks for watching.